إلهي خذ بقلبي للرشاد.
Allah is calling you. Allah is calling you.
Assalamu alaikum, dear lovely peoples, and welcome to our art and nature drawing video.
We will exploring Mysterious Island.
Let's start. First step in creating art is observation. Take a moment to appreciate the beauty of nature. Now I'm making a box before drawing in my sketchbook. Here, you can draw a different type of leaves. Like long leaf, short leaf mix, leaf. You can also make grass here. It's ready a mysterious hut on the island. A coconut tree with beautiful leaves. Comment what tutorial you want for next video. So here I am drawing an island which also has a mysterious story. There was a person whose name is James. He was walking on this island. He see an old statue and weird symbols. There was temple, and inside it the voice is coming out like leave now. James ran and go to his team. They were on this type of mountain I'm drawing at that time. Nobody believe him, so he go back to from the island. And his team who stay on this island. They plan that they were coming back after 5 days. But it's 8th day and they won't come back. James tried to contact his team, but he can't. His team come back after 9 days, but only 5 people come back. In James' team, 3 people is missing, even police and rescue team can find them again. Step 2. Bordering. Border every detail you draw with pencil. By the way, what do you think about this island? I'm thinking that it was fake story. Because how can it possible 3 people is just disappear? And other 5 people don't know where they go. Like how? Oh yeah, another tip here. Always bordering you art by using black pen. Black marker, black anything. But only black if it's not different theme of art. Step 3. Coloring. There was twist with art. I only colored mysterious parts. So they are looking unique. Let's begin. This 2 color. I like the shade. Light green and dark green. Start coloring with your own imagine. Remember, you always draw from your mind. The result will be creative. So here I skip some leaves to color it with dark green. Look, it's looking amazing. By different shades. Always use combination color for every art. It makes it good and looking nice. I'm start coloring the main part of the island. By hearing the story of James, the first think. There was maybe a ghost in this temple. I'm not sure for that. What's opinion? A coconut tree. It's important. I want to make 2 trees, but it isn't possible. So I colored it. The mountains. I'm sketching it. Because it's not that special part. Almost done here. Nature is most beautiful. Allah makes so beautiful and pretty gorgeous his world. I'm really impressed with every beauty of nature. Okay, use the main part. The mysterious temple. I color it with different shading. First at the corner, I make it dark. 10 slightly light color. Oh, here is a dark door. Inside the temple, there is ghost. Red blocks out border the door. Now we border main part with yellow color. To give it a look of like shiny and mysterious. See, I think it's looking good. By the way, don't forget to share your opinion about this mysterious island in comment section.
سأكون أنا